Hello and welcome to our channel, where we delve into topics that enrich our lives and promote well-being. Today, we have an exciting episode lined up for you as we discuss the 10 habits for a healthy and happy life. But before we begin, let's take a moment to remind ourselves of the importance of prioritizing our mental, emotional, and physical health. So like and subscribe to the channel, sit back, and let's explore these incredible habits together. Our first habit is regular exercise. Engaging in physical activity not only improves our physical health but also boosts our mood and enhances mental clarity. Find an exercise routine that suits your preferences, be it jogging, yoga, or hitting the gym. Remember, just a few minutes of daily exercise can make a significant difference in your overall health and happiness. Moving on to our second habit, maintaining a balanced nutrition. Nourishing our bodies with healthy, whole foods is essential for optimal well-being. Focus on incorporating fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your meals. And remember, hydration is key, so make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Up next, we have sufficient sleep. Adequate rest is crucial for our bodies to rejuvenate and our minds to recharge. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. Establish a bedtime routine that relaxes you, such as reading a book or listening to calming music, to ensure you wake up refreshed and ready for the day. Moving on to our fourth habit, mindfulness and meditation. Taking a few moments each day to be present and engage in mindful practices can reduce stress and increase overall happiness. Try incorporating meditation into your routine, even if it's just for a few minutes. Allow yourself to let go of the outside world and focus on your breath, cultivating a sense of calm and clarity. Our fifth habit revolves around cultivating positive relationships. Surrounding ourselves with supportive, caring individuals can greatly impact our happiness and overall well-being. Foster meaningful connections with family, friends, and loved ones. Engage in open and honest conversations, and remember to listen attentively. Building these solid relationships provides an invaluable support system. Next up, we have practicing gratitude. Cultivating a gratitude practice can shift our mindset to appreciate the small joys in life. Each day, take a moment to reflect on the things you are grateful for. It could be something as simple as a delicious meal, a kind gesture from a friend, or a beautiful sunrise. By incorporating gratitude into your life, you'll begin to notice an increased sense of happiness and contentment. Our seventh habit is continuous learning. Never stop seeking knowledge and expanding your horizons. Engage in activities that stimulate your intellect, read books, listen to podcasts, or explore new hobbies that challenge you. A curious mind is a happy mind, and constant learning opens doors to new opportunities and personal growth. Setting goals and prioritizing self-care is our eighth habit. By setting achievable goals, both short-term and long-term, we foster a sense of purpose and direction in our lives. Additionally, make self-care a priority. Take time for yourself regularly, engaging in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Remember, self-care is not selfish, it's necessary for your overall health and happiness. Our ninth habit focuses on limiting screen time. In this digital era, it's crucial to establish boundaries with technology. Dedicate specific periods each day to disconnect from screens and engage in activities that nourish your soul, whether it's spending time in nature, pursuing a hobby, or connecting with loved ones face-to-face. Finally, we have our 10th habit, embracing positivity and letting go. Cultivate an optimistic mindset by reframing negative thoughts and surrounding yourself with positive influences. Recognize that holding on to grudges, regrets, or negativity only weighs you down. By letting go, you free yourself to lead a healthier, happier life. And that wraps up our episode on the 10 habits for a healthy and happy life. Remember, incorporating these habits into your daily routine takes time and effort, but the rewards are immeasurable. So why not start today? I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy for life. Goodbye.